Hello, how are you doing? We are Life Meets Family, and we are glad that you are here with us today. Oh, I thought you were covering your face like that. Like that wasn't a good intro. That was like the best intro.
I got
right
something
there.
in my eyes.
Oh, okay.
So
today we are reacting to Blizzard
my hair.
30th anniversary. That is pretty crazy that Blizzard has been producing games for 30 years. That's pretty amazing.
30? That's a lot.
That's a long time.
That's more than I was alive.
Yes.
That is math.
I'm Dan.
I'm Big Man.
I'm Linda.
I'm Sunshine.
I'm Erin.
And thank you guys for recommending this video for us. That's how we pick what we're going to watch next, is what you recommend. So thank you so much. Should we check it out? Blizzard 30th anniversary.
Yes.
Welcome home.
Dad, did you ever play Blizzard games?
Many hours.
I was doing the math and I was like, that does add up. You'd be like the perfect age.
Never played
Most of us live in many worlds. Home is an indefinable space.
Their animation really is
It lives in our
spectacular.
hearts, in our minds,
My son.
our future,
That part's heartbreaking.
and our past.
And his dad.
They did really good on
Home
animation.
is
Oh,
where
you
we
saw
get
this?
lost,
This is the type of style I like.
where we
Like I like the
live
cute,
our
like
wildest
little,
lives.
like this, like not like World of Warcraft is so detailed. Oh my gosh, yes.
Joining together,
Wow.
and in the end, finding ourselves. All of our many selves. Where we can be bold. Where we seek, but never find. Where you always feel at home.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Awesome.
I
It's
love
awesome.
their animations. They're so good.
They are very good. I really hope you guys don't take my favorite part.
All right, what do you think?
Go ahead, Sunshine.
My favorite part was probably seeing the robot with like the grass on it. I remember us reacting to that, and that was probably one of my favorite things to react to.
Yeah,
That was a cool video.
it was.
So my favorite part, I really, for some reason, I just dropped the ball in remembering what it's called, because it's not Comic-Con, because that's for
Blizcon.
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 Yep.
Okay, because that is so cool.
Would that be awesome to go to
That
one day?
was so cool. I'm not a
Sen-
very great gamer. I'm not like at all like
I'm the
knowing how to
gamer.
play. I don't know if that's either true. That's true. I play on my computer. He plays on the Xbox.
Send us the invite to BlizzCon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and we'll come
We would
because
love
I
to
think
go.
that would be pretty
I'll go
lit.
What do you think, big man?
My favorite part was when the girl was getting shot at, and then the robot guy stepped up with
Yes.
his like stop sign,
Yeah.
bulletproof shield.
I like that too, but I also like the
How does that work?
graphics. The
Like-
graphics was amazing. I mean, these guys put out amazing,
They
thorough,
do.
well thought out games. What do you think, Mom?
Yeah, it was fun to see them all together in one video. And my favorite part is taking it from the game to real life.
Yes.
And watching people dress up as their favorite characters. And, you know, Emma was saying she's not a great gamer. I don't think it's about being a great gamer. It's about loving the game.
Yeah.
And having characters you connect to and storylines you connect to. And Blizzard does that. They
Yep.
make really amazing games. So thank you so much if you requested this video. We enjoyed watching it with you. And now that you've heard what we have to say,
Hiccups.
we would love to hear from you. Unfortunately, YouTube turns off our comments, so please find us on Instagram, leave us all your thoughts there, and then come back and watch some more videos with us on YouTube.
Bye.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm scared for
Not excited about having people watch me.
So who won the challenge?
Me.